Okay, come on. Just one play. Yeah, just one play. Yeah. How old is he?
12.
So,
12. Yeah. We got him about 2 years ago and dumped. And he jumped. He was gonna pee in the bucket. So we got him about 2 years ago from the Humane Society. From the rescue. And they said he was 10. I don't think so. He has way too much energy. He doesn't like big noises. The thunder we had a couple weeks ago, he did not like that.
Just below, like below with him, man, this guy.
Okay.
I said it's a big guy, just like below with my dog.
He's like, I'm just a big puppy.
You cannot get you, man.
Get out of here. Nice to get out this way. Yay, look at me now. I'm going to get near a table. Andy?
Yeah.
We were here last June, and the same thing was going on with two dogs playing. And my dog's a herder, so he kind of herded them towards me.
Well, play with him. Yeah, you can play with him. Yes. This is the same size, yeah. And almost the same age, yeah. Oh, what's your name? Her name?
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. What about yours?
Oh, her name.
Hi there, buddy.
Hey.
Yeah. Hi, sweetie. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hello. Yeah, you're a good one. What's his name or she?
She.
What's
Hi,
her
May.
name? Hi,
You
May.
can call her May May.
Oh, May May. Hi, May
Yeah.
May.
Yeah.
Hi, May May. Yeah, some of those big dogs this year.
Yes.
You're a sweetie. Yeah, he's a sweetie. Yeah. He's part lab, part pity,
Oh, okay.
and then the super vet.
Make her under the table. He's so big. Yeah, you are a bit too big to me. You are too big. Yes. What is? Too hard, yeah, I think so. Playful.
Hello, sweet girl.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet girl.
Little.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, buddy.
Okay, hi man, let's go. Okay, hi man. You like to play? Oh, take a shower. You want to take a shower? Yes. Your bath. Too hot. It's a lap, right? No, hi man. Here, come on. Come on. Here, man. Come on here. Come on see you. Here. Okay. Okay. Mama. Come on here. Good, thank you. He loves you, yeah. He loves to play with you. It's fine. It's good. Okay, man. Let's walk. Let's have a walk. Good. Yes, that cool you down. Okay, let's go. Go inside. Yes. Hey. No, he